Hi, this is Vizbl Support. In this video, we'll show you how to add AI Try-On to your online store. From creating a widget and connecting a product to placing it on a product page. Let's get started. If you haven't gone through onboarding yet, you'll need to add your domain first. Click Set Domain and enter your site address. Use the host name only. Click Create Widget. Pick a widget type and click Create. The integration code will appear. We'll use this website to walk through the integration process. Copy the script and paste it into the head section. Paste the script just before the closing head tag. Copy the element code and paste it anywhere on your website. For a smoother shopping experience, place the element next to the Purchase button. Copy the product name from your website. Paste name into the Vizbl AI Try-On product name. Copy the product image URL from your website. Paste the image URL into the Vizbl AI Try-On product image SRC. Copy the product URL. Next, paste it into the Vizbl AI Try-On product URL. To match your website styling, add one of your existing CSS classes to the button. In this example, we're using BTN Cart, but your class name may be different. Your integration is now ready to test and launch. Find more guides for Vizbl products in our Help Center.